Hello everyone, I am Saurish Mitra from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. I'm a second year student pursuing BE in Computer Science and Engineering. Today I'll be giving a presentation on the subject Universal Human Values and we'll be knowing about human values. So let's get started. Introduction to Universal Human Values. Universal human values are the fundamental principles that transcend cultures and unite us as a global community. These values forms foundation for just an equitable and compassionate world where all people can thrive. So first is dignity and respect. Inherent worth. Every human being has an inherent worth and deserves to be treated with dignity regardless of their background, status, or circumstances. This means that everyone has the right to respect and should be treated with respect irrespective of their background, status, caste, religion, anything. Second is mutual respect. Respecting the right beliefs and perspective of others is crucial for building a harmonious and inclusive society. This means that we should give respect and take respect. There should be a mutual sense of respect between two individuals staying in a society. This would make the society a little better place to live in. Empowering individuals. Upholding dignity and respect empowers individuals to reach their full potential and contribute positively to the communities. This can help building social and knowledgeable communities by empowering every individual staying in it. This should be taught in every classrooms, every individual points, and every circumstances. Equality and non-discrimination. Equal opportunities. All people should have access to the same rights, resource, and opportunity, regardless of their race, gender, religion, or social status. Inclusive communities. Embracing diversity and eliminating discrimination creates inclusive communities where everyone can thrive and feel a sense of belonging. This can help a lot of people to get over mental health issues as well, where everyone is included, everyone feels like a part of home, every individual has the right to stay with their respective partners. We should all gather together and be as friendly as we can to make a society a better place to live in. Systematic change. Achieving true equality requires addressing systematic barriers and ensuring that intuitions and policies promote non-discriminations. Justice and the rule of law. First is fair and impartial laws. Laws should be applied equally without discrimination or bias to protect the rights and freedom of all individuals. Accessible justice system. The justice system should be accessible, transparent, accountable, ensuring that everyone can seek for redress for grievance. Third is upholding human rights. The raw rule of law must be grounded in the universal principle of human rights, safeguarding the dignity and the well being of the people. Justice and law are the most important part to secure human values. If an individual goes out of the way and do something impartial to the others, there should be a law against them for the disregard of their work they are doing in the society. Compassion and empathy. Compassion and empathy. Understanding the others. Cultivating compassion and empathy helps us to understand the perspective and experience of the others, fostering more meaningful connections, alleviating suffering. Compassion motivates us to take action to alleviate the suffering of others, where through direct support or advocacy for a change. Third is strengthening communities. When compassion and empathy are widely practiced, they strengthen the bonds within the communities and contribute to a more just and equitable society, where we show the most compassion towards our society. As we help them, as we grow, they also grow. This should be in our human values. There should not be no sense of jealousy, comparison, and hate for the others. As we grow, the others must grow too. This should be an important and mostly the most mentality of the individual. As we grow, we should let others grow too with us. Integrity and honesty. Integrity and honesty builds trust. As we grow, as we know, the man who says the truth belongs to the society. There's no space, and no space will be ever there for the one who impersonates a person. There is nothing known as the false hope, the false accusations, the false allegations. The one individual should be trustful. Integrity and honest builds trust, which is essential for healthy interpersonal and institutional relationships. Transparency. Being transparent and accountable in our actions and decision making fosters a culture of trust and accountability. There should be no sense of impersonation among individuals, because as we grow, we should not try to be someone else. We try to be ourselves to get more ahead of the time and more out of the world, to be in this world. Moral compass. Upholding integrity and honest serves as moral compass, guiding us to make ethical choices and decisions. So we should be honest with whatever our morals are. We should not disregard with our morals to become a human. Responsibility and accountability. Individual responsibility. Taking personal responsibility for all our actions and their consequences is a fundamental human value. Institutional accountability. Institution and in those in positions of the power must be held for accountable and the decisions their impact on society. Collective responsibilities. We all share a collective responsibility to uphold universal human values and work towards a better world. Freedom and autonomy. Personal freedoms. The right to make choices about our own lives with bounds of respecting the rights of other. Self-determination. The ability to shape our own destiny and have control over the decisions that affect our lives. Societal freedom. The rights to participate in a democratic process and have a voice in governance of our community. Cooperation, solidarity, interdependence, collective action, and shared prosperity are the part where cooperation takes place. So, the conclusion for all this transformative vision, by embracing human values, we can create a world that is more equitable. Individual and collective actions is necessary. Continuous efforts are also necessary to get a human value. Thank you. Please share and like, share, and subscribe to my channel.